Alright, here with the Behemoth. Grabbed some information off the sticker and we're going to run it. We're going to oil it. We're going to run it, see how it measures, and we're going to measure the temperature as well after it's run for a while. It's a cool day here. It's not that bad. But we just want to see if it's running the way it should. And that's the plan. Yeah, so here we are trying to oil the the big old Vornado. This is a Model A12D1-10, which I don't know what those numbers mean, if they have any real significance. But I'm just going to try and drop a little oil down in here. I'm not sure if it's going to flow. Alright, that was a bunch of drops. Let's see where it's going, or if it's going. Let's see if it's going where we want it to. And it does look like the oil is heading down. That was probably 8 or 9 drops. Let's do a few more for good measure here. Can you see? Yeah, you can. Not really even sure where that's going. So there's the rear. We'll do the front as well, which might be hard for me to show you. And that's what we'll try to do. Alright, here we are at the meter. I've got it set for amps, and we're going to turn on the Behemoth Vornado. Alright, so it's called for 2.0 amps, so we're a little higher. It's all the way up to speed. .148 watts. It calls for 130. It's 2.16. It's come down a tiny bit. 60 hertz. It's running at 121 volts right now. So 2.16, a little higher than we want, but this is originally designed to run at 110. So it's 2.16 amps. Let's turn it down. So that's medium, drops down to 1.5. .122 watts, still at 60 hertz. Let's go to low. So there you go, that's low speed. So there you go, we'll go back to high. Even come down a little bit, 2.13. So it's running close to what we're looking for. The high amount of electricity coming into the house nowadays might account for why it's running a little higher than we expect. What do you think? Is that the case? We'll see. Just run it on high. We got some oil in it, and it's warming up a little bit. We're going to try to get a temperature reading on this one. Medium. It's medium. There's a bit of an off spot there. So that's what it looks like and sounds like on low. It's not a really low, but you know, that's how they made them. It's pretty cool, just like that. And just because it's a fan video, we'll do a spin down. About the same as it was before. You know, we put some oil in there, but time will tell. I'm not going to take this apart just yet, but there it is. It could stand a nice paint job. Warming up a little bit. Let's take a quick look what we get from right on the motor there. 108, 97, 105, 121 over here. Yeah, so it's warming up now. Taking it a while. It was running pretty cool. So there you go. We'll keep running it and see how it does. I'm also going to measure it. So here's what I got on this thing. The blades are about 11 inches across. 10 maybe. It's a little hard to judge. But that's what I'm getting on the blades. The housing itself, from end to end, the size of this thing is 20 to 21 inches. It's pretty big on the back side of it. I didn't measure here. I'm going by the back side, how big across it actually is. And then the outer deal, the ring at the back is 16.5 across. I didn't measure any depths, but that just gives you an idea how big this damn thing is. It's pretty wild. Again, it's starting to heat up, so we're going to let it run a little longer and see how we do. One more spin down. It's nice and warm now. And temperature. 130, 120, 111. Yeah, so, you know, more or less what you'd expect for a vintage fan. Again, it's not that warm today, not that hot today rather, but there you go. So we got that guy going a little bit. It's cool, it's a giant, and there you go.